on, everybody. Here's the box. Moving down the assembly line. Yep. So, part of being in is fixing what bugs it. Here's something that bugs me. Box is going to stall right there. We can't get any more incline out of this conveyor. Meaning we can't get the box is going fast enough to make it to the curve over here. So, I have a plan. From there, over here, to grab this box and keep it moving along its journey. And then back to here. That, my friends, is 12 seconds. All day long. So, we have a solution. We have a solution because we're dedicated to fixing what bugs us. Me and the analyst. Thanks, Paul Akers.
Hold there. Oh. That's my Adam Rich. Yeah, you know, the box will drop here. It's no good.
How's it going, Michael?
Very good. You just put the roller on. That's it.
Alright, so we got 5 extra feet of conveyor on here, and you can see that now the boxes are being pushed all the way to the end. So that nice. So you don't ever have to make this walk again from here to here. And like I said, I mean, it's almost 12 seconds every time you do it all day long. So that's a pretty big savings in terms of both time and energy. Lean, baby.